What is important to stress is that this government wants to encourage the personal budget, and that's a good thing. They put 350 million extra euros in the personal budget system, so now there is 2.7 billion euros for the personal budget. That means that around 125,000 people are using now in the Netherlands the personal budget. But in this time of economic problems, you see also the cuttings in the budget. And that's a very bad thing for the individuals, because they are getting to lose 5% of their budget. And 5% less means 5% less possibilities to buy good help. And that means that partners, family, children have to take more time, to spend more time to help people with a long-term disability. The advantages are the most important thing, because the personal budget is what the people self say, it gives freedom. Freedom and flexibility to live a life which you like to live in this society. That is the most important advantage. The disadvantage is that you have to give account on the spendings of the budget. That means you have to take an administration, and that is not very easy for everyone. Another disadvantage is that the Dutch authorities are looking if you spend the budget well. And that means that you are not totally free in spending the money, you have to use it only on care. And because people live a life in which care is a substantial part, you see always the problems. If you go to the swimming pool, is it then allowed to take a helper along or not? Or do you have to pay it by yourself? That are daily questions for personal budget holders in the Netherlands. First, make it not too difficult, especially with the administration and in these debates on what is allowed with the budget and not. Secondly, develop the budget in policy way to a budget which is part of the life of people. Take that as a starting point of developing the policy in the future. I see a very good future for the personal budget system, because it takes as a starting point that people with a personal disability has the power to arrange their own lives. We started 15 years ago with 0 budget holders. Now there are 125,000 budget holders. Every year, the amount of people is increasing with 10%. It means that this is a part of society, and people with a long-term disability belong in society. So 1 and 1 is 2, the budget has the future.